How to fix NVIDIA app not working. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of how you can fix the error of NVIDIA app not working. So let's get started. First of all, go to the search bar of your Windows and search for services. And once you click on services, you'll be able to see the system services. So just click on it. And once you click on that, you will be redirected to an interface like this in front of you. So what you got to do is search for NVIDIA in the list. There might be 2 to 3 options of NVIDIA, and you got to apply these steps that I'm telling on all 3 of them. So for example, if you have NVIDIA over here, so what you got to do is just click on it, and over here in the startup type, you have to select automatic instead of manual. So just click on it and select automatic, and then you can either restart it or start it, or you can even stop and then start it again. And once done, you have to just press on OK and apply these changes. So for example, if you're having more than 2 to 3 NVIDIA options over here, so you got to do these changes on all 3 of them. And once you've done all of the changes on all 3 of them, just try loading your NVIDIA application and your issue would be resolved. However, if the issue still persists, go to the search bar again and search for Device Manager. And this is basically the control panel of your Device Manager. So over here, you got to select the display adapters. So just click on it. And once you click on that, if you have NVIDIA graphics installed on your computer, you'll be able to see them over here. So you can just click on that. And after that, just click on driver over here. And you'll be able to see update driver over here. And you need to update that driver. So if you're having the GeForce of NVIDIA, you'll be able to see of all the options of the GeForce. So you need to update that driver and check by loading the application again. But if the issue is still there, you can go to Google and search for GeForce drivers in the search bar, and you got to click on official GeForce drivers. So once you click on the official GeForce drivers page, you'll be redirected to their official website where you can do the automatical drivers updates by clicking on download now, and over here you can do manual driver research. So you can just click on this driver and see that which driver you have, and you can select the product types, that is GeForce in this case, and select the product series and just fill in the information according to your driver that you already have and click on search. So make sure that all of the updates are being done and that your driver is the most updated one. But if the issue is still there, you can go to the Windows search bar and search for Windows updates and click on check for updates. If your Windows have any new updates, you can just download those updates and then relaunch your application and your issue would be resolved. But however, if the issue is still there, so what you can do is that go to the search bar again and search for apps and features. So once you click on that, you'll be redirected to the applications and features interface. So you got to search for NVIDIA app over here, and then you can just uninstall the application and then go back to the Google and download the application again. And then after that, your issue would be resolved. So that is how you can fix the NVIDIA app not working issue. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.